Message.
I know that's right and never ever wrong.
I was just about to go to sleep. I told y'all get on monkey. Why is that your name on here? Why is that your name on here? You heard me.
Nasty bitch.
Because it is.
What does that mean?
This is a lot of weird shit. Like, weird shit.
I can't even see him. You do not need to be smacking like that.
Oh, go look at the beauty right here, buddy. That's not fire. What's your name?
Make $1 million off things.
Oh shit! It's the girl from YouTube.
You crazy? Why is his name Psychopath? Hey, ma'am.
What you say?
I said, hey, ma'am. Bye.
Guess what?
Hold on, wait for
No,
it.
wait, no, guess what?
What's up?
I don't give a fuck!
Is your do-rag tight enough?
Oh my god!
See what we're not gonna do?
What? Why did I ask a question?
See. Can I talk?
Talk?
What we're not gonna do, okay, is when we first see each other is come crazy for me, cause I ain't do nothing.
That do-rag doing something to your brain, I'll tell you that. Tight ass do-rag.
Hello? Where you gonna talk, bro? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, try to see what your voice sound like, bro.
Why? What is this? Goggles?
Yeah, it's goggles, bro.
Where are you going? Snowboarding?
Nah, I just had them on. What? It's part of the outfit.
Well, let me see. What you got, a ski suit on?
I can't even show you that right now, bro. I can't show you. You know it's part of the outfit, you know?
Well, you is not in nobody's snow. Sir.
What's up?
What are you doing?
I'm on my phone.
What are you recording on right now? Your microwave?
And to start the microwave, I would push Enter Start right here. Now the microwave has turned on.
What? No, I'm on my phone.
Me.
Nah, I need some LED lights. Get some color in my room. Everything's white though. For real, my blinds are white, my walls are.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Million stain, don't.
The stream and sub. Oh yeah, let me do that.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to you now with your sexy ass. What you doing?
do. All eyes on me.
Hey? Goddamn, you fine.
Why are you hiding?
I'm doing something right now.
You doing something you ain't got no business. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, I'm sorry for this lighting. I don't understand what's going on. I need a new camera. That's the problem.
Listen that. Hi. You don't want to talk. We go to the staring contest. Are you ready?
See, I can't stop laughing. She's nice. I'm not gonna eat meat. What is wrong with you?
You just so fine. How old you is?
14.
Never mind, I see that.
Comedy.
Yo, what up? Damn, why you so aggressive? I like an aggressive one.
Y'all, why do y'all keep having me get on here with all these dudes getting on my nerves? Like, don't nobody want to hear nothing they talking about. Bro, there is a fucking...
There's a what, black person on your screen?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yo, leaving that side door. They're weird. They're all weird. Like, what are you doing? Weirdos and kids. Weirdos and kids. I'm not talking to these people that's in the dark. Like, I don't know who I'm talking to. Sir. Why you not watching them kids? What are you doing, man?
Don't play no games with bitches, too much money on the floor. Need to get your bitch, she tryna fuck on me and bro.
Ghetto. Yeah, I'll fuck it off. I promise you. Not showing. They're all not showing their face, like literally. Sir.
Oh my god, you were the baddest one I've seen all day.
Cause ain't nobody on here.
Nah, I've been on here for a couple hours. Everybody on here.
Shit, all I seen was ceilings.
Ceilings, well, you see a face now. Where you from?
I'm getting off. I don't want to talk to these people. I'm sorry. Like, bro. That's in this video, y'all. I'm sorry. I can't. We probably gonna have to go on Friday or something because and try this again because I just don't be wanting to talk to them. Like I told y'all, I ignore everybody in real life. So when I don't go on here for a while, when I do get back on, I'm still acting like how I do in real life. I be forgetting that I have to actually prank these people, do this, do that. You feel me? So, and there's nothing but kids on here, like. I don't even want to talk to them. I would have to be in the mood to play with them, but all they're trying to do is talk to me, and I don't want to talk to them. So yeah, do. But like my nephews and cousins and stuff, they always want to go to monkey app because they're kids. Like I might want to, you feel me? So that's in this video. Like, comment, subscribe, leave different suggestions down below. Maybe if y'all give me some pranks, I'll be able to do that. But just getting on here talking, I can't do it. That's why I get on here being mean, because I don't talk to random people. That's not what I do. Straight to danger.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.
Nah, I forgot. He has ... I'm out this bitch.
They told me to be good.
Pow!